All right, you guys, so I'm home now and we've got some stuff to do. So it's Fly Lady Zone 1, which is the front porch, the dining room, front porch, the dining room. The front porch, the dining room, and something else. I don't remember. But anyway, I only have about an hour to get a few things done. So I am going to go outside and do a few things. I will show you, I'll have Jackson take you outside to see the fence. And then Mr. Jerome did come and put the trees in. So I'm going to just go out and, let me get my shoes on. I'm going to go out and sweep the porch off. I'm trying to think, is it windows? Something about windows in the living room. Y'all, my room is a total wreck. Total 100% wreck. Okay, I'm putting my bedroom shoes on. Come on. That's only because I was cleaning out some drawers and I didn't get to finish. And sometimes projects be like that when you clean stuff out and it don't get to finish. Put the kettle on. Okay. So I'm going to go outside real fast. Jackson, bring her out. Want to go out? Do you want to go outside? Hi, my baby. Hi, my mommy. Mama. You going outside? Mama. Best friend. Are you going? Bring her out, Jack.
Okay, y'all, so as you can see, the tree line, though they are very tiny trees, Mr. Jerome has gotten the trees, and this is the fence the other people put up. I'm not gonna call them neighbors because they're technically behind us, but that's what they have. So in a few years, these will probably be taller than the fence, and that will be exciting. But for now, this is what it looks like.
Porch swept off. We got a new rug from Aldi, $7.99, and then we got a wreath from Aldi. That was a little bit more expensive. The mums we got, oh gosh, a month and a half ago. They're still doing well. We're just trying to water them every day. The one on the table doesn't do as well, but Jackson's going to get some water for these two plants right now, and that mum, of course, as well. So we just swept. Tomorrow I plan to come out and rake the leaves again. This is the big tree that I'm trying to save up enough money to get cut down. I mean, it just goes and goes and goes and continues to go. So I'm going to try to save up the money to get that tree cut down so that we don't have to deal with these leaves anymore, because it's just too much. It's too much. But tomorrow we'll come out and rake some leaves. But right now I'm going to go back inside and finish up doing a few things. All right, you guys, I got you under my cabinet for right now. We are trying to do a mad dash of some meal prepping because we do not have any food in this house. And I ate a candy bar and a bag of chips. Bless me. Today because I didn't have anything made ahead. And I was starving. And I'm not going to continue that behavior. That's not what I'm doing. Now, again, I'll eat whatever I want. But I don't want to just eat bad because I don't have food made. So we're making a mad dash. We've got some hamburger on. Well, the hamburger's now finished. I'm working on some steak, some pork steak. And Alana is working the roast in the crock pot.
Everybody, so the living room is now finished. As you know, our couches used to be on this side, and our bookshelves and the buffet table used to be on this side. So we just basically switched it. We flipped it around, and there is the ottoman. We have moved the lamps over here, of course, and we decided to put the chair right here in front of the giant cabinet because we're going to put our Christmas tree right there in front of the window like we do every year. And here the TV is, and the bookshelves. Looking very nice. And we obviously did not move the desk because it was fine just where it is. And there's, of course, the other lamp. But this is pretty much how it looks. If you come over here by the door, this is pretty much what it looks like when you walk into the house. You see the couches, the chair, and over here, the bookcase and the TV. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you are new so that you can come and watch all of our awesome videos. Make sure you leave a comment, like what part of the living room you like the setup. Do you like the way we did it? Anything to add to the living room. This is how it's gonna be most likely until maybe I don't know, next year sometime. We're just setting it up for Christmas because we want to make sure we have everything ready for that, and we're going to go hard. So thank you very much, everybody. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.